All right, this is a really nice stick vacuum cleaner from Candy. You can take this apart and get into those smaller spaces if you need to. Even this part comes off too, so you can get that suction to hard to reach places if you're trying to like get something up high. Check out the wheels in here. That's gonna get everything out of the carpet. It's really nice, and I love the like brushes that are on there. Great wheels. It does come with some other attachments. It also comes with the charger and a wall mount and a little cord detangler in case you get some things stuck in there. You can use it to pull it out. Just turn it on. Simply press the power button, and now it's on. And if you need to get deeper into the carpet, into the shag, you can hit the turbo button, and it makes it it'll take more battery power, but it'll definitely get the stuff out of it. So yeah, it'll collect everything in here, and you can just easily detach this and then empty it out. So press to detach just like that. It's got a HEPA filter right there, and easy to clean, easy to do your vacuuming. So it's great. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.